Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to HTV Creative. Now in this video, we're going to talk about one specific template before going editing. Now we're at the home page right now and you're looking for a template that you want to work on, and then you're looking and you find this guy and say, hey, let's work on that. You click on it, it will lead you to this page where you can see a video pops out. Now in this video, it's going to give you a preview of the operation process from selecting the template, editing, and the final cutting. Next we have, let's pause the video. Down here is a list of the information that you need to know about this specific template, including size, description, template diagram, and such. So basically here is everything you need to know about this template. And next we have from the top right corner, start editing. Now if you click on it, it will lead you to the editing scene, which will be introduced in the following videos. Right next to start editing is this little star icon here, which is introduced in a previous video. If you click on it, now this template will be in your collect. Down here, we also have some information about this template, including template names, label. Now in label, if you type one of these as your keywords, this template will be in one of your search results. And then we have collect, visits, and usage account. These are going to be listed to the right corner. On the very bottom, we have this template price. Now, if you're a member already, you don't have to pay for this template. But if you're a non-member, you can pay for individual template based on the price that has been marked here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.